I'm Dr. David Thomas. I'm a practicing psychotherapist with the Whitford Thomas Group in Tampa, Florida, here to discuss herbal remedies for depression. Herbal remedies is kind of a vast field. Nicely, we have the internet these days, so we can gain a lot of knowledge and information about herbs that help us not just for depression, but various other elements. I'm not going to speak on specific herbs that may be helpful for depression, but I want to speak more to is how can you tell whether they're assisting you or not. Remember, depression is created not by the external world. Loss of job, breakup with a boyfriend, child getting themselves into trouble at school or in college. Depression is not created by these external events. Depression, the perpetrator for depression is ourselves, it's our thinking. So if thinking drives depression, then certainly we want to be able to identify the thinking that gets us into trouble and creates this state of depression, work on challenging and disputing those thoughts and replace them with thoughts that are much more logical, much more rational, much more fact-based. So, we can use herbal remedies, but they're not going to cure depression. What they're going to do is help with the symptoms of depression. So, in a sense, kind of a medication. I'm not saying herbal remedies can't be helpful, because there's a lot of herbs and remedies that can be helpful in regards to not just depression, but anxiety and anger, and a lot of different types of emotions. But the cure for depression truly is changing thinking. Sometimes people have an endogenous depression, an imbalance in their system that's pretty severe, such as a major depression or a bipolar disorder, that really requires psychiatric intervention or medical intervention for a medication. But for the most part, most depression that we experience is really created by thought. And so if we can learn how to challenge and dispute our thinking, then we can do a better job of managing those emotions. Well, I hope that the information I provided you today regarding herbal remedies is helpful to you. From Tampa, Florida, I'm Dr. David Thomas.